Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a little shop with me at Hobby Lobby because I went shopping there for my mom, and they had out all this new spring stuff that I had never seen before, and so I just pulled out my camera and filmed it, and then I will come back and show you everything that I bought. So my mom just moved and she wanted my help decorating her new place, and so she just let me do whatever I wanted, which is so fun. And we locally don't have very many stores to shop from, so my only option really is Hobby Lobby. So that is what we're doing. So shop with me at Hobby Lobby to show you all the new spring stuff, and then I'll come back and show you what I bought. So if that interests you in any way, just keep watching. I had not been to Hobby Lobby only one time this year, and it was right after Christmas. Well, I guess it wasn't even this year, but I hadn't seen any of this darling spring stuff, so I thought I would pull out my camera and show you guys. That carrot sign is one of my favorite things that I saw there. I love it. I might have to buy it, I'm not sure, but it's very cute. You'll see they just have really cute Easter stuff. I don't really decorate for Easter per se, but I love decorating for spring. You know, I love gingham, so those signs to me were very, very cute. And these plates, all of them were so stinking cute, but these black and white gingham ones I loved the very most. I don't really do fancy tables. I wish I did, but I don't. And those ones were cute too. I think that one would be cute, like if you had a cake, a plate stand and had it on a shelf. That would be really fun. Anyway, I'll just let you watch what I found, and if I see something I want to tell you about, I'll pop back on. That carrot sign again. Isn't it so cute? And I love these little white bunnies, especially the one with the little glasses. I think it was so fun. Again with the buffalo plaid. I feel like that trend is never going to go away. It just keeps coming back every single season. I'm not complaining. I think it's darling. Some people do not like it. I loved this section of the store. I think it's so fun that they have each color separated, and there's gingham for everybody in every color. I thought the pink one was really pretty for spring. The blue is pretty. The gray is pretty. I'm not loving the purple and the navy, but to each their own. Everybody has their preferences. I just like softer tones. This little "Your Sweet" sign is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love peach decor and lemon decor. I love it. I've never used it in my home, but I don't know why, because it's so cute. Anyway, they have really cute signs for spring.
Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to show you what I've got. Like I said previously, I'm helping my mom decorate her new apartment. She went from a house to an apartment, and all of the decor that she had had previously was just really old. She had lived in her last house for over 20 years, so she just wanted something fresh and something new. I have shown you her bed before in another video that I helped her do, so I'll leave that in the cards up above if you haven't seen that before. But it's like how to style a bed like a pro or something like that. But it's a really good one, especially if you struggle to like figure out how to layer. Anyway, that was kind of a tangent. I'm sorry. Let me show you what I bought for her house. No particular style, I would say. I mean, this does lean more to the farmhouse style. But I don't know. It's really cute, and everything I got is darling. But what's going to happen is I'm going to show you all of this, and then I'm going to do a decorate with me video after, because I'm going to incorporate what I bought with things that she already has and things that I am giving her to use. So stay tuned for that video. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And I need to go back and get a few more because they weren't on sale today. You know how that goes. You never buy anything at Hobby Lobby not on sale. But this is bothering me behind me, so let me show you this first. So this comes with 3 of these in it. I just wanted these, but this was $24.99, and I used a coupon for it to get 40% off. But let me show you what I did with the other 2. I'm going to put them in this little bird, I don't even know what you would call it, like a little bird cage thing. It's so cute. I love the little X's, little farmhouse. And it looks farmhouse. And anyway, I just put the 2 of those in there, and I'm going to put this on her counter. You'll see. I'm going to show you what I do with all this in another video, because I feel like this one's going to be long. This was $49.99, but it was 50% off, and it's so cute. I had a hard time not buying all the things that I bought for her for myself, because I really wanted that. And I'll show you what else. I did buy myself one thing, and I'll show it to you. And then I got this little greenery pick. I just needed one. Again, you'll see why, but it was $6.99. This was the only thing that wasn't on sale, but you live and learn. And then they have the best basket selection right now, and this one is like the perfect color, and it says Sweet Home. I personally don't love that. You could peel it off actually, or you can just turn it around, which I'm going to do. And I got this to go by the side of one of her chairs, and I just love it. It's like the perfect gray wood color. I love it. And then I picked up one of these. This was in the spring collection. It was $13.99, but it was 40% off. And I'm just gonna put some greenery in it. Excuse me. Okay, moving along. I picked up one of these wreaths for her, $19.99, but 40% off. I just love it. Can never have too many green things, in my opinion. And then I brought over my bench that I used to use in my living room for her to use, because right now I don't have a place for it, but I'm not quite ready to get rid of it. So she's going to borrow it until I'm ready for it, but we are going to hang these above the bench. So I got 2 of those. These were $16.99, but they were 50% off this week. And then one of my favorite things that I got are these little canisters. There's a flower. I don't know if you can even tell, but it does say flower. And this one was $21.99, but they were 50% off. And then this one says sugar. So cute. I just love the font on there. And this was $17.99, half off. My mom also loves buffalo plaid as much as I do. And so I picked up this cake stand for her, and I have an idea with the cake stand and these, and it's going to be so cute. And then The last thing I got her, I feel like I didn't get much, is I got her a bunch of these green picks, and to go in this really darling basket. You could hang this on your door, you could set it on your counter, which that's where I'm going to put this one, is in her bathroom. The basket was $24.99, but it was on sale for half off. It's kind of like this other basket I bought that has the burlap thing on the front. This also has a little linen thing on the front, which it's okay. It's not my favorite, so I'm just going to turn it around to the back. But how cute is that? Anyway, I bought myself one of these because they're so cute. They have a couple different sizes. This is the larger one. I bought the smaller one, which was $20, on sale for $10. And I just think it'll be perfect for spring with all this green, or you could put lavender in it, or you could put those little white flowers that I always use in all my baskets like this. That would be really cute. But I'm going to do a spring display in mine, and I'm going to tape it for you because it's going to be so cute. I usually don't pull from inspiration when I do those kinds of things, but there was one that I saw on Instagram that like stopped me in my tracks because it was so stinking cute. So anyway, that is all I got for her. I still needed to get some more wall decor, but it wasn't on sale, and of course I only had one 40% off coupon, so I need to go back and get her a few more things. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to use all this stuff to decorate and incorporate things that she already has and things that I am giving her, because I have way too many things. So if you guys subscribe, you can catch that in the next video. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Crystal, and I love home decor. It's my passion. I love decorating my home. I do design consults for other people, and yeah, I don't really love to shop at Hobby Lobby for a whole house because I don't want it to look like Hobby Lobby threw up in a house, but my mom doesn't mind, and they're really cute things. I mean, honestly and truly, everything's super cute, but you know what I mean. So I kind of like to find unique pieces, but I don't have that readily available to me in my town. So we get what we get, and we don't throw a fit, right? That's what I always tell my kids. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like home decor hauls, and I will catch you guys in my next video decorating. See ya.